everyone. So for our topic for this video tutorial is we have case 5 or solving oblique spherical triangle. So when you say spherical triangle, so it is something like this. We have a curve here or spherical. Okay, something like that. So in solving oblique spherical triangle, so we have a definition. So spherical trigonometry is a branch of spherical geometry which deals with triangles drawn in a sphere. So as what I drew a while ago, something like this, and we have value of here or just ABC, okay, and then we have a B, and then we have A and C. Just an example of a spherical triangle. Okay, so the following are the formulas in solving the right spherical triangle. So when we are going to solve a spherical triangle, so we are going to follow some important formulas. So we cannot solve that specific spherical triangle if we are not going to follow these following formulas. Okay, so R1. So in a case 1 or something R1, so we have sine A equals sine C, and then sine big letter A. So in this formula, okay, because in solving spherical triangle there is a lot of cases, just like you have the given of the big A, small a. In solving spherical triangle, it is very important that you are going to familiarize these 10 formulas, because not all of the time the given are the same. So for example, you have the hypotenuse and then you have the adjacent. Every questions or about spherical triangle, it has a different formulas. Okay, just like in the R2, if we're going to find the sine B, or we're going to find the small letter b, and then the given is you have the small c and you have the big letter B. Okay, it's all about what are the given in the question. So for example, you have the given of small letter C, and then you have the big letter A. Then to find the B, so you're going to use the R6. Then just like in the R7, R8, R9, and R10. Okay, it's all about the given. Okay, it's all about the given. So for example, just like in this example, so case 5. So given one leg and its adjacent angle B. Okay, so we have one leg, and then adjacent angle B. So for example, solve the spherical triangle ABC. Right angled at C, given at small letter A, you have 120 degrees, and B, big letter B, we have 40 degrees. Okay, so we all know that big letter C is 90 degrees. Okay, then small letter A, so 120 degrees, and then B, we have 40 degrees. So we have to find the big letter A, small letter B, and then small letter C. Okay, solution. To find the big letter A, use the R9 because you have this given. Cos A equals cos small letter A sine B. Okay, so what's the value of our A? So we have 120 degrees, and then B, you have 43 degrees. So you're going to substitute. So cos A or cos big letter A equals cos 120 degrees times sine 43 degrees, and then you're going to find the cos theta times cos 120 degrees, and then sine 43 degrees. So you have the value, or you're going to simplify. So you have the value of big letter A of 110 degrees. Okay, Next is to find the small letter b. So use r. So tan b equals sine a tan big letter b. So you have the value of big letter b, which is 43 degrees, and then in the small letter a, which is 120 degrees. So you can find the small letter a. So you're going to substitute the value of a, sine a or sine 120 degrees, and then tan b, tan 43 degrees, and you're going to find the tan theta. Okay, we say tan theta, this negative sign, tan negative sign or tan theta, this one. So tan theta times sine 120 degrees multiplied to tan 43 degrees. So you have the value of small letter b of 39 degrees. Okay, so you have 39 degrees. So you have the value of big A, and then you have the value of small letter a. In solving a spherical triangle, it is important that you familiarize those formula, okay? Because not all the time, as what I've said earlier, not all the time the questions are the same, the questions or the given are the same. You're going to familiarize each formula because there is a lot of given, okay? And then we have the big A and small letter b. Now we're going to find the c, small letter c. So in finding the small letter c, we are going to use R5, which is tan A equals tan C cos B. Again, the value of A, we have 120 degrees, and a big letter B, 40 degrees, okay? So you're going to substitute, okay? So, and then in this portion, you're going to find the tan theta of tan 120 degrees over cos 43 degrees. So, if you're going to use a GeoGebra or going to calculate, the result would be 52 degrees. Okay? So, we have the value of big A, 110 degrees, and then the small letter b, 39 degrees, and lastly, the small letter c, 52 degrees. Again, in solving spherical triangle, you are going to familiarize the 10 formulas or the 10 R so that in each situation, in different situation, you can answer because in solving spherical triangle, it is the matter of the given because not all the time you have the same given at that time. Okay, so I hope you understand, but in this topic it is important that you familiarize this then. Okay, so I hope you understand, or I give some insight of your about spherical triangle, even little. So thank you.